In this lecture, we are going to see Electrolux refrigerator. So this system of refrigeration is called as three fluid refrigerator because three fluids are used in this refrigerating system. First one is ammonia, then hydrogen, then water, that is aqua. So the main purpose of this system to eliminate the pump so that in absence of moving parts the machine will be noiseless. In this figure, the block diagram for domestic Electrolux type refrigerator is shown. This domestic absorption type refrigerator was invented by two Swedish engineers, Karls and Mounters and Bladzer Platon in 1925. The idea was first developed by Electrolux company of the Luton, England. See here, this is three fluid absorption system, or this system is called as three fluid absorption system. Why? Because there are three fluids used in this system. The main purpose of this system to eliminate moving parts, that is we have to eliminate pump here, so the system will be noiseless. The three fluids are ammonia, hydrogen and water. The ammonia is used as refrigerant and because it has most desirable property. Ammonia is toxic, but because of absence of the moving part there will be no chance of leakage or little chance of leakage. So the amount of refrigerant will be small, and the hydrogen is lightest gas. So it is used to increase the rate of evaporation in the system. The hydrogen is non-corrosive and soluble in the water. So this is used in the low pressure side of the system. The water is used as a solvent. See here, water is used as a solvent here because it has ability to absorb ammonia readily. The principle of operation is Electrolux type refrigerator. So here the all block diagrams or all blocks are shown in the figure. So see here the strong aqua ammonia solution from the absorber. See here, see here different parts. This is absorber, this is evaporator, this is condenser here, this is heat exchanger, and this is generator. See here gas burner, we can use gas burner or electric coils for the heating. See here analyzer and see here rectifier. So those are the different parts of the domestic Electrolux type refrigerator. This is heat exchanger, generator, rectifier, condenser, evaporator and absorber here. So now see the working of this type of refrigerator. The strong ammonia solution from the absorber. See here absorber through the heat exchanger is heated in the generator by the applying heat from the external source. Here we used a gas burner. During the heating process, the ammonia vapors are removed from the solution and passed to the condenser. See here, NH3 vapors are passed to the condenser. A rectifier or water separator, see there, rectifier is there, which is fitted before the condenser and it removes water vapors carried with the ammonia. So function of rectifier is to remove water vapors. So dry ammonia vapors are supplied to the condenser. So see there totally dry ammonia vapors will be supplied to the condenser. The water vapor is, if the water vapor are not removed, they will enter in the evaporator and it will choke the system, or they will freeze and choke the system. So it is necessary to remove water vapor and we have to pass pure ammonia vapors in the condenser. The hot weak solution left behind the generator flows to the absorber through the heat exchanger. So it will flows to the absorber. See here, weak solution flows through the absorber to the absorber through the heat exchanger, and in heat exchanger it will absorb NH3 ammonia The absorption is accelerated and improved the performance of the plant. Now the ammonia vapors in the condenser are condensed by using external cooling source. See, condenser it will cooled by using external cooling source. The liquid refrigerant leaving the condenser flow under the gravity to the evaporator where it meets the hydrogen gas. So condenser is cooled and vapor ammonia is converted into, see here, liquid ammonia, and then it will meet with the hydrogen in the evaporator. The hydrogen gas which is fed to the evaporator permits the liquid ammonia to evaporate at low pressure and temperature according to Dalton's principle. During this process of evaporation, the ammonia absorbs the latent heat from the refrigerant space, and the cooling effect is produced here in the evaporator. So refrigerating effect or cooling effect is produced in the evaporator. So now the maximum or the mixture of the ammonia vapor and hydrogen is passed to the absorber where ammonia is absorbed in water while hydrogen is rises to the top, and it will flow back to the, see there, it will flow back to the evaporator. So see here, the ammonia and hydrogen coming out from the evaporator will absorb, ammonia is absorbed by the weak solution and it becomes strong solution, and it will flow back to the heat exchanger, and from heat exchanger it will flow to the generator, and from here hydrogen will rise again and go to the evaporator, and these cycles continue. So this completes the cycles, and this cycle will be continue. And coefficient of performance, so coefficient of performance of this system is given by heat absorbed in the evaporator, and divided by heat supplied in the generator. See here, the performance will be heat absorbed in the evaporator and heat supplied in the generator. See here, heat supplied in the generator. So this is the working of domestic Electrolux type refrigerator. Now see here, this type of preparation system is called as 3-fluid absorption system. This is 3-fluid system. Why this is 3-fluid system? Because of there are 3 fluids which are ammonia, hydrogen and water. 3 fluids are used in this system, so this is called as 3-fluid system. So what is the main purpose? The main purpose of this system is to eliminate the pump, so that in the absence of moving parts the machine will be noiseless. So the pump is moving the pump having moving parts inside it. So in the absence of pump the system will be noiseless. So we have to avoid the use of pump to set the system noiseless. So now see here, working of this system. The strong aqua ammonia solution is heated in the generator by external source, usually by gas burner or heating coils. Now during heating process, aqua ammonia vapor rises in the generator, and through analyzer or rectifier they will pass to the condenser. So here it is necessary, the dehydration of the vapors is necessary. We have to provide pure aqua ammonia vapors to the condenser through the rectifier. In rectifier, the complete water particles are removed, and they will be sent back to the generator, and the strong ammonia vapor are sent to the condenser. So it is necessary to remove water particles, and it is necessary to do dehydration in this system, so to avoid damage to the system or damage in the evaporator. In condenser, the ammonia vapor changes phase from vapor to liquid. So liquid ammonia is supplied to the evaporator. So and condensation, in this process the condenser is cooled by using external sources or cooling water. So condensation of ammonia vapors is done by external cooling source. So the condensation, for the condensation purpose we will use external cooling source here. Now the mixture of vapor ammonia or ammonia vapor and hydrogen from the evaporator is passed to the absorber, where ammonia vapors are absorbed in the water while hydrogen rises to the top and flow back to the evaporator. So actual refrigerating effect will takes place in the evaporator, that is cooling effect will be achieved in the evaporator, and then from evaporator ammonia and hydrogen flow to the absorber, and in absorber, see here, ammonia solution or ammonia is absorbed by the weak solution while hydrogen rises to the top and back supplied to the evaporator for, and this cycle will be continue. So the coefficient of performance for this refrigerator is given by coefficient of performance is equal to heat absorbed in the evaporator divided by heat supplied in the generator. So this is about domestic Electrolux type refrigerator. See, once I can see the efficiency or performance. Coefficient of performance is calculated by heat absorbed in the evaporator divided by heat supplied in the generator. See here, now once again see the different parts of this system. In this system, generator is here, rectifier is used here, condenser is used here, evaporator, absorber and heat exchanger. Now we will see, once again we will see the how system works. See here, in generator, solution of strong aqua ammonia is heated. So ammonia vapors will be formed and they are passed to the rectifier. So it is necessary to do the dehydration of the ammonia vapors. So water particles are removed from rectifier and they were back supplied to the system, or analyzer is used for dehydration, and in rectifier all the remaining particles will be removed and pure vapor ammonia, vapor form of the ammonia is supplied to the condenser, and in condenser vapor ammonia, vapor NH3 is cooled by using external cooling source or cooling water, and then the liquidization of the ammonia vapors takes place. So liquid ammonia will be supplied to the evaporator. In evaporator, actual refrigerating effect takes place and NH3 and hydrogen will be supplied to the absorber, and in this absorber the weak solution coming from the generator will absorb ammonia and hydrogen rises to the top, and this solution becomes strong and strong solution will be produced back to the generator for the heating purpose, and this system continues. So this is all about domestic Electrolux type refrigerator. In this lecture we have seen domestic Electrolux type refrigerator in details. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you liked my videos, then subscribe to my channel TechnoSouls Creation and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Have a great time.